Naperville winters can be tough, but Maximum Heating and Air Conditioning is here to help you stay warm and energy efficient all season long. Start by scheduling a home energy audit to find hidden leaks and insulation gaps that could be driving up your heating bills. Next, book professional HVAC maintenance with Maximum to make sure your system is ready for the cold. Regular tune-ups help prevent breakdowns and keep everything running smoothly. Don't forget to check and replace your air filters every 1 to 3 months for better airflow and cleaner air in your home. Seal up any drafts around doors and windows with weather stripping or caulk to keep the cold out. Upgrading your insulation, especially in attics and basements, will help your home retain more heat. Consider installing a smart thermostat to automatically adjust temperatures and save on energy costs. And always keep vents and radiators clear of furniture or dust for steady, even heating. For dependable winter comfort and savings, trust Maximum Heating and Air Conditioning. Call us today at 630-788-4688 to get started.